Some years ago, my brother Bagus Kadek on the right here in the blue jacket decided to move to Sanur with his lovely Sanur wife. And he had a gorgeous son. Today's his wedding. Marrying a young Dayu from Sanur, which is always a good thing. And even though they're rather poor, the wedding of royal tradition. The umbrellas are waiting in the girls' house just 100 meters down the road. So arriving at the girls' house. Sister. Summertime too, Ambela. Sister too, okay? The lovely festive atmosphere, more wedding colour. While these ladies have returned to their roots of cosmic technicolor. The lovely rich oranges and pinks and chartreuses and mustards and purples that were traditionally Balinese. Now very much back in flavour, fully embellished with sequins. Bit of ngana pan, eh? Pan, ngana? Masuk YouTube nyanan pan, eh? Well, there's a shot. So the palace elder and the lead uncle are taking the part of the father in this formal asking of the bride ritual. So the bride has come out of the matan. So it's a formally extradition treaty. Should be taken down the side lane to the tiny home of her handsome husband. It's the bride's family. So as is the tradition amongst the nobles, the bride and groom will be placed on the jolly magayot, they get into the jampana, the palanquin, the royal palanquin. Oh, sedang bak ni isteri. So out they go towards the main street. Main bola. So, this is not his home. He seems to have borrowed someone else's home to get married. It makes it a little bit more convenient. I love that. Drag that fan in. It's hot. Bloody yeah, Inggris. Sanur's hottest tukang bantan. I need a Bagus Blanjo. He's master of ceremonies. The monk who is doing the preliminaries to the Makala Kala and the offerings to the ground spirits. After this, the high priest will do offerings to the gods with the celebrants present. The actual wedding rituals are more rite de passage and a celebration of their love. All their future life together will be touched on, their life as rice farmers, their life as fishermen, etc. So they've come out of their room now. Kalakalan ceremonies to the groom spirits. So they're having the ritual bathing, the penyiraman, which they also do in Java. More holy water splashing. Praying to the Surya shrine, Putra. We are the royal aunties. These wonderful ancient marriage rituals of Bali. Kembali obat KB, meli. Banyak ulok-ulok. He says to her, "What?" She says, "What do you want to buy?" There's 3 different sorts of leaves. There's the money. 200 Chinese coins with the chana. Nah. They have to plant this now. Apa ni ke? Siapa tahu? Lagi gak enak baliau. Masa? Meh. Pentusuk kita tusuk Kau beli obat KB tu.
Beli obat KB promisi.
There's the gorgeous Putri, the cousin of the groom, also married this year to Sanur. There she is. Lovely, dear old Biangayu with her adopted son's son. And the mother of the bride. So now they have to go off to the real home down the lane. And this is where I'll leave them to enjoy their married life together. Aunties, ciao aunties, ubud aunties. Biangayu, sarang Dayu Putri. This is my next impossibly beautiful daughter. Oh, kencang bayan Biangayu, ngencar kucucu. These lovely Sanur and Denpasar Brahmin ladies. There are no ugly people in Intau. I don't think they shoot them at birth. The Bagus took Bantan. Quick dong turis. Sini makan nyom lagi babaran padanda. DJ dong sedang becek.
Oh